How to do plie squat exercise. 1. Starting position. Stand tall with feet wider than shoulder width apart. Toes pointed outward about 30-45 degrees, like in ballet. Engage your core and keep chest lifted. Hands can be on hips, clasped in front, or holding a weight, dumbbell, kettlebell for extra challenge. 2. The movement. 1. Lower down. Bend your knees and push hips down. Keeping torso upright, don't lean forward. 2. Go deep, lower, until thighs are parallel to the floor, or as low as mobility allows. Knees should track over toes. 3. Rise up. Press through your heels and inner thighs to return to standing. 4. Repeat for desired reps. Muscles worked in plie up. Quadriceps, front thighs, extend the knees. Gluteus maximus, hip extension during the rise. Adductors, inner thighs, highly engaged because of the wide stance. Hamstrings, assist in hip extension. Calves, stabilize the ankle joint. Core muscles, stabilize the torso throughout. If you add heel lifts, releve at the top, your calves get worked even more. This is often called plie squat with calf raise. Benefits. Strengthens and tones inner thighs and glutes, more than standard squat. Improves hip mobility and flexibility. Builds lower body strength with less forward lean on the back. Ballet-inspired movement improves balance, posture, and control. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.